My name is Rajneesh Babbar. I'm here with my wife, Neeti. Neeti works for the consulate and I'm attending the event here. The 68th anniversary of our Republic Day parade, Republic Day, I should have said, is an important one because I think India represents a very unique place in the world right now. We are very diverse, we are multicultural, we actually have the way we have developed over time is an example for everybody in the world as we see more and more of negativity coming out everywhere. So I think it's a great occasion to be out here and I'm very honored to be here.
We're gathered here today at the Indian Consulate. We are having a reception to celebrate the 68th Republic Day of India. It's a very happy gathering. We have people from the Indian American community, from the Consular Corps, from the local government, and we are all gathered here to celebrate what is perhaps the most beautiful democracy in the world. A large, diverse, complex country like India, which guarantees all fundamental freedoms and dignity to its citizens, based on the Constitution which was adopted on this day in 1950. And that is the Constitution we celebrate. This celebration is not just a celebration of history of that Constitution, but also what it asks us to do as citizens and lovers of India in terms of helping each other out, in terms of unity, tolerance, pluralism, and of course democracy. And I think the presence of such a large number of people here to celebrate this occasion with us shows the love and affection they have for the Indian people and the Indian nation. So it's a very happy occasion, and thank you to TV Asia for being a part of this celebration and covering this event. Thank you.
I'm very honored to be here today at the Consulate General's office to celebrate the 68th Republic Day. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Jai Hind! 68th Independence Day. I think the Consul General has made a lot of effort in getting a lot of community into this small place. A very good meeting of people, and I think it was a very patriotic opening that he did for this occasion.
Hi, I'm Unmesh Mishra. I'm on the board of Georgia Indo-American Chamber of Commerce here in Atlanta, and I really feel good on the Republic Day celebrations. We're very proud to be of Indian origin, and knowing and seeing what India is doing today. I visited 5 times last year, and every time I'm not only pleased at what the developments are happening out there, but more importantly, the democracy is thriving, it is full of life. We have such large programs like demonetization, which no country in the world can even think. Such kind of bold decisions by politicians and political leaders in that country is amazing. I'm really proud to be Indian. Thank you.
Happy Republic Day, and at this day, again, as Unmesh said, very proud of our country, and we've been here for many years, but we are always proud to be Indian also, and we would like today to remember all of those who gave their lives so that this country could be the largest democracy in the world.
Hi, I'm Anitha Nainen. I'm an attorney with Arnold Golden Gregory, and I'm also a board member of the Georgia Indo-American Chamber of Commerce here in Georgia. And it's a great, it gives me great pleasure to enjoy the 68th celebration of our republic, and that democracy has flourished and continues to thrive in our country. Just happy to be here and celebrate the great occasion.
और इस गणतंत्र दिवस के मौके पर हम लोग सब यहाँ शामिल हुए हैं और बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि सब हमारे जितने हमारे यहाँ पे जान पहचान के दोस्त हैं वो भी हैं, प्लस नए लोगों से भी मिल रहे हैं, और ये जो माहौल है बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। एंड हम लोग कौंसलर दोनों डीवी सिंह और नागेश सिंह दोनों को ही हम लोग बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं कि उन्होंने ये इसका आयोजन किया है, और साथ ही कौंसलावास के सभी कर्मचारियों को भी।
हेलो, मैं कमलेश चुग हूँ, एटलांटा जॉर्जिया से बोल रही हूँ। आज मैं आप सबको एटलांटा की तरफ से रिपब्लिक डे की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देती हूँ, और मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि आज कॉन्सुलेट जनरल में इतना अच्छा नागेश जी ने और डीवी सिंह जी ने आयोजन किया है, और खूब नेशनल एंथम के साथ, और हम सब आपको गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई देते हैं। और यहाँ पर बहुत ही अच्छा आयोजन रखा गया है, खाना और सब अच्छी तरह से खा रहे हैं, सब लोग मिल रहे हैं। ये ऐसे लगता है कि सारे हिंदुस्तानी यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं, ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे हम हिंदुस्तान ही पहुँच गए हैं। सो आपको एक बार फिर मैं गणतंत्र दिवस की मुबारकबाद देते हुए धन्यवाद।
Hi, my name is Sonia Tucker. I'm with CNN. It is an honor tonight to be here at the Indian consulate to see the diversity of our Indian community, and I'm very proud to be born and raised in Atlanta, Georgia, and to be an Indian. Thank you.
I'm Geeta Mehrotra. I'm representing Sadhu Vaswani Center. It's an honor and a privilege to represent Dadaji on behalf of Sadhu Vaswani Mission Pune. And it's so nice that Dada was part of India's independence movement, and we are representing him over here, and it's just so blissful to be around.
Indian community, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. This is a great initiative from the Indian Consulate in Atlanta to invite the community leaders and the Indo-American population to attend and celebrate the 68th Republic Day of India. So we can see a lot of people attending it, having fun and interacting with folks. So I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
On behalf of IPN, we want to wish everybody happy Republic Day. And we are really glad the turnout is really good and proud to be Indian.